Hello, welcome back to Master Bowie Kitchen. My name is Riesa and this is Bowie. Today, me and my little friend here are going to make Bowie a Halloween themed raw food meal using this little pumpkin that I found in our local supermarket. Okay, let's get started. First, we want to cut and shape the pumpkin. Make sure to be careful when cutting the pumpkin. Use a sharp knife and always cut down away from you. Remove the pumpkin seeds but do not discard them because we are going to roast them and put them back into the meal. Pumpkin is such a great and healthy addition to your dog's diet. It is rich in prebiotic fiber, which aids in digestive health, including relieving both diarrhea and constipation. It is also packed with antioxidants, vitamin A, E, C, and beta-carotene. Pumpkin seeds in particular contain a compound that helps expel intestinal parasites such as worms. I just drizzle a little bit of olive oil and I'm going to bake the pumpkin in the oven until it's thoroughly cooked. On another tray, I just spread the washed pumpkin seeds, drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to roast them. Keep an eye on them. You don't want them to burn. While waiting for the pumpkin to cook, I have pre-roasted beetroot and I'm going to make a mock blood to go to Bowie's Franken meal. Beetroot contains phytonutrients which help increase oxygen uptake and lower the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, and some cancers. It's also rich in folate, magnesium, manganese, potassium, vitamin B6, and fiber. Here I also add a variety of berries and pomegranate seeds for antioxidant boost. Put all ingredients into a blender, add a little bit of water to make blending easier, and just blend to make a puree. Okay, the pumpkin seeds are roasted and the pumpkin is thoroughly cooked. Now let's assemble Bowie's Franken meal.